Wizzy made the wave.
YouTube, what's up, man? Told y'all I'm back with another video, man. But look, today's video basically is gonna be me cleaning out this one side of my garage. It is very junky. If y'all can see me, but yeah, this one side of my garage is like very, bro, it's hella shit, bro. Man, yeah, I gotta figure this how I'm gonna do this, cause I have to put the 2001 Mustang on this side of the garage, make it easier and stuff, and man, it's a whole bunch of shit. Look at this. Like, bro, I mean, it's really not a lot, but it's just like, how I'm finna put, how I'm finna, spread all this out for another car to fit right here. Like, so, guys, I honestly don't know where to start. Like, it's hella shit, bro. I don't know where to start. Like, it's a bunch of shit in here, bro. I don't know where to start. But well, it took me about I'll say about an hour. Finally cleared out this whole area, bro. But it's finally done. Now I can finally take my Mustang and place it in here. Get you guys some film of me swapping the engine. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Yeah, I'm out.